Good morning or afternoon or evening, parents. This is Miss Brown, one of your kids' 6th grade teachers, and I am reaching out because this is my back to school night presentation. I've done it this way for a couple reasons. First of all, to give you a little bit of flexibility with when you can see it, and also you have access to it for a longer period of time so you can watch the videos over again if you have any questions. The second purpose for me putting together a back to school night presentation like this is because I understand that we are all super busy, and trying to get to back to school night and see all of the teachers and hear all of the presentations in such a short period of time, it can be overwhelming, it can be frustrating, especially when we have multiple children. So I am sending this out today on August 24th, and I'm sending it out to you so that you can take your time and go through my back to school night presentation with your scholar on your own time frame whenever it's good for you. I will still be doing back to school night. I will still have a Zoom link. If you do not make it to do the presentation before then, you'll do the presentation on your own time during our Zoom link, or you can just stop by the Zoom link and say hi to me. I'd love to see your faces. I hate that we can't physically meet in person. Hopefully soon. So let's go through the presentation so you know exactly what it is. This video is located right here. Whenever you see this symbol, that means there's going to be a video attached. Our first slide is, do you know me? Do you already receive my Class Dojo messages? Do you know my email address? And do you know my phone number? If your answer is yes, then you are good to go. If your answer is no, that you are not connected on and don't receive my Class Dojo messages, then please, please, please jump on my Zoom link and let me know so I can get the paperwork to you to get connected to Class Dojo. Or you can shoot me an email whenever you are watching this, or shoot me a text message and let me know that you are not connected to my dojo. Let me know who your first and last name and your scholar's first and last name, and we can get that taken care of. Next slide is going to be, this is probably the most important video. It's hopefully going to be less than 5 minutes. That's my goal. And it is going to be how you can support your child and how the things I offer to support your child so that we can ensure that all of our scholars have access to everything they need to be successful. The next video, this video is completely optional. It might be a little bit long. It's going to be exactly what curriculum we use and all of the housekeeping things that are in the 3 subjects that I teach. And finally, this is our sign-in sheet. Our final slide is the sign-in sheet. If you click that, that's how I'm taking attendance on back to school night. I will know that you've participated in my back to school night, and I would be greatly appreciative. So go through those slides. Make sure if you have any questions, obviously, based on one of the slides, you know exactly how to reach me. I hope to physically get to see you through the Zoom camera on back to school night, but if not, honestly, I really understand. Both of my children have back to school nights this week, so if you take the back to school night that I have, there 2, and the IB back to school night, I have 4. And I know some of you probably have more than that because you have multiple kids in the IB program. So I hope this helps alleviate a little bit of your stress, and I hope this makes it a little bit better. Thank you. Bye.